Hey there, quick review on the Lexavon half-inch drive torque wrench. First off, you can spend a ton of money on torque wrenches. If you're a professional mechanic, this is probably not the wrench for you. If you're the person who occasionally needs a torque wrench but doesn't want to break the bank buying one, this is going to be a great option. Comes in a nice case, keeps everything protected, clean and tidy. So let's go ahead and pop this out and show you how the adjustment works on this. We do have a half-inch drive, fixed head, no rotating or pivoting. Clockwise, counterclockwise adjustment back here. You are only supposed to use the torque settings whenever you're going clockwise. Now this does have a scale for foot-pounds as well as Newton meters on the back here. Let's go ahead and use foot-pounds. We're going to measure this by bringing the top edge of the handle here even in line with my desired foot-pounds. There's a nut on the bottom here. You turn clockwise to lock the handle in place. Counterclockwise will allow you to adjust this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this clockwise until the top edge is at 100 pounds, and I'm going to bring the 0 in line with the straight line here. So now I'm at 100 foot-pounds. If I want to select 110, this is broken up into 30 increments here, going all the way around the handle. So if I twist this from 0 over to 10, now I've got 110 foot-pounds. Keep going to 20, now I've got 120. So it's pretty easy to make adjustments to your exact desired foot-pounds, and you'll just lock down the nut at the bottom here. Overall, I think this is a pretty decent fit and finish on this tool. You know, whenever you purchase this, it's not gonna be at snap-on level quality, but it also doesn't come with that snap-on price tag. So for an occasional user like myself, this is gonna be an ideal price point, and I think it's gonna be a pretty decent functioning tool.